Connecting your email to Go High Level is essential if you want to send campaigns, follow-ups, or automated workflows directly from your domain instead of using generic or system emails. It boosts your deliverability, branding, and trust with clients. To get started, log in to your Go High Level account, then go to Settings, My Stuff, User Settings. If you want to connect an individual email, or Settings, Email Services to connect at the agency or location level. If you're connecting and using Gmail or Outlook, click Connect under your email provider and sign in using your account credentials. Grant Go High Level permission to send emails on your behalf. This allows it to use your email for campaigns, conversations, and automations. If you use a custom domain email, you can connect it via SMTP settings. You'll need your host, port, username, and password from your email provider, such as Google Workspace, Zoho, or your web host. Once connected, send and test email from GHL to confirm everything works. From now on, your automations, newsletters, and follow-ups will send straight from your business email, fully branded and verified. That's it, guys. If this helped you out, you can also help us by liking the video and subscribing. If you need further details, you can check out this article right here, which is how to connect your personal inbox. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.